everyone, welcome to Loehmer Dairy. My name is Ashley. I'm the herd manager and part owner here at Loehmer Dairy. I'm so excited that you are going to take this tour with me today to visit our farm. We're located in Monterey, Indiana, and we have 1,800 milking cows. That's a lot of cows. I'm just going to show you a few of them, and I'm so excited that you guys have adopted one of our cows. Here we are in the calf hut area. The calves come here first after they're born, and they stay here for about 2 months. And in these huts, each calf gets their own buckets. So they get a bucket for their milk and a bucket for their grain. And we like them to be individualized in these huts so that we can make sure that every calf is getting enough food, and that whenever they're sick, we can treat them better. So they enjoy these little huts. They are bedded with a lot of straw and sawdust to keep them as clean and comfortable and happy as possible. They're very friendly. All right, now we're making it to the calf barn. We call this our group housing area for our calves. So once the heifers are 2 months old, we move them from the individualized huts and put them in this barn where they're with about 15 to 20 other heifers their age. So they no longer get milk when they move here, but they start to get fed alfalfa and corn. And then after another month, when they're about 3 months old, they start to get a ration of corn silage. So here, all they're basically doing is growing and enjoying each other and just socializing. So you can see in the backgrounds, they're just hanging out, relaxing. They've already ate for the day, and they're just hanging out. So they are on sawdust bedding, and in the winter we put straw so that they stay really warm. But they enjoy this. We can also put these curtains down so that in the winter they're more enclosed and it's not so open. So we really care a lot about their cow comfort. If you can see, you can probably hear the fans behind me. You can see these fans. We want all the heifers to be comfortable and to be cool in the winter, or the summer, sorry. Now I'm in the freestall barn where the cows sleep and eat and drink and just be a cow. So they're only in the milking parlor for about 4 to 5 hours a day, but most of their time they're laying on fresh sand beds, or they're eating some of their delicious feed, as you can see here. And they're just kind of busy being a cow and enjoying just hanging out and socializing. This is one of our milking parlors. Cows come here 3 times per day in order to give their milk. And the employees, like the one behind me, follows a strict routine to make sure the milk is safe and clean and it never touches human hands. And the cows actually enjoy coming to the parlor every single day, 3 times per day. Once the cow is milked, the milk travels through these tubes down in this filter, and through this box right here, and it cools it down to about 36 degrees. And then it goes in these big tanks like you see behind me. You even have to climb a ladder to get to the top. So in these tanks, it holds about 69,000 pounds of milk, and that's a lot of milk. And then in order to move it to the place where it puts it in bottles or ice cream or cheese, it comes from these tanks, and within 24 hours, one of our employees takes it from these big tanks behind me and puts it on a semi-tanker. You may have seen one of these going down the road. But that's how it gets to the factory in order to put it into cheese or milk or chocolate milk, strawberry milk, yogurt, ice cream. That's how it gets to the factory. So it comes from the milk to these tanks and then to the semi-trailer. And that's it. That is Loehmer Dairy. Thank you so much for going on this tour with me, and I really hope that you enjoy this program throughout the coming months and you enjoy getting to know your calf. Thank you for adopting her, and I will see you on future videos. Bye!